Hi everyone, so I wanted to make a video for this assignment, not because it's long in the sense of difficulty, but it's long in the sense that there are 8 pages, and I just want to make sure that we understand what we are doing. So page 1 through 2, you have this very long passage from a student. Now, what you need to understand is you're not answering any questions on these first 2 pages. You're just highlighting. Highlight the introduction paragraph in yellow, bold the thesis statement. Highlight the body paragraphs in blue, underline the topic sentences of each of those body paragraphs. Highlight the conclusion paragraph in green, and then answer question 4 here. Did the author clearly outline their point of view? Reasoning and evidence, and explain. And it's very simple, right? Yes, the author outlined their point of view because their topic sentences match their thesis statement. Or no, the author didn't outline their point of view because their topic sentences did not match their thesis statement. Now, I've deleted this, but I want to make sure on your copy there might be a question 5. It's identical to question 4, and you just need to delete it. And the same thing here, my 3rd paragraph here, 4th paragraph here, whatever this is, there was a big space here, and I had to combine them together. So that might have happened again, and if that's the case, please just make sure that it's fixed. Okay, now moving on to the second part of this assignment, thesis statement practice. So what you're going to do, okay, is you're going to read the thesis statement. There are 5. There's a question, example question. There is a thesis statement, and then there are the questions. There are 2 for each question, for each example. Okay, so what is pollution, and what are the main types of pollutants found in the environment? That's my question. My thesis, pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment, and it can be explained by examining natural pollutants and pollutants created by human activity. Now this, to me, is answering the question clearly. All right, so bold it, underline it, italicize it, highlight it. I don't care. Just pick one of the 3 that you think it is. All right, cause and effect should be self-explanatory because it should have cause and effect in it. Then from this thesis, we want to take the 2 reasons that I applied. Now you can have 3 reasons, but for here, I think on my last one, I might have 3 reasons, but regardless, what is my first topic sentence and what is my second topic sentence? And if you look here at the end, here are my reasons, right? It can be explained by examining natural pollutants and pollutants created by human activity. Okay, so natural. One example that helps us understand pollution is natural pollutants. Oh my goodness. I still mess it up. Ignore me. Okay. Another key example in understanding pollution is, where's it at? Pollutants created by human activity. Okay, so those are our 2 topic sentences. I'm not too stressed about the transitions right now, more so just understanding what this is and just kind of adding it into our RTQT method. So if you go back up here, the question, right, is what are the main types of pollutants found in the environment? So what is pollution and what are the main types? We got to be trying to make sure we're hitting both of those here. So one helps us understand pollution, because we want to know what pollution is natural pollutants. Another in understanding is pollutants created by human activity. I'm not worried about repetition right now. I'm not worried if they look similar right now. I just want to make sure that you can look at your thesis and pull out your topic sentences, because you're going to be doing this. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing with the other questions here. It's the same idea. Okay, you can copy my exact example for question 1, and then we get down here and you're going to write 3 thesis statements, 1 cause and effect, 1 explaining a central idea, and 1 answering the questions clearly. I need you to have your notes open. I need you to be referencing your notes. But here, right here, all you're doing is writing the thesis statement based on this prompt. Make sure you have 2 reasons to support the answer to your question. All right. And then those 2 reasons would then become topic sentences. Finally, down here in body paragraphs, and this is probably the biggest one that I'll know that you watched this video. I did not want it to be over 5 minutes, but here we are, is you are literally just copying and pasting into these boxes. Topic sentence, evidence, evidence, concluding sentence. I just want to make sure that you can do this. You are not required to answer questions 1 through 3. All I want you to do is copy and paste in this one. Very similar to slide 1 and 2 where you were highlighting, but this time you're copying and pasting. Same thing here. Do not do 1 through 3. Just copy and paste from the paragraph. I will know if you watch the video, if you, 1, ask me, what am I supposed to answer for question 2? Or 2, if you answer it without asking me that question, because I don't want you answering them. We've done enough here. My key thing here is that you're able to identify body paragraph parts, you're identifying introduction paragraph parts, and that you're able to write thesis statements here and topic sentences up here. If you can do that, I feel comfortable in next week actually going into writing our own 3-paragraph response to a question. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Please, please, please. And I hope that this goes as well as it's going in my head. I think this could be good, but we shall see. All right. Bye, everybody. Thank you.